In part D, we're given this diagram which shows the major species in the sample of the solution. And in part 1, we need to draw an X to represent the titration curve at a point where this could occur. And what we can see here is that there are more acid particles than there are conjugate base particles. So we can see these gray particles over here. There are more of these than the conjugate base. So what that means is that we are before the half equivalence point because we still have more acid particles and they haven't been used up. So we need to draw a X somewhere before the half equivalence point. We know that this was at 8 milliliters, and so we have to draw an X, let's say, over here. We need to justify our answer, and well, we can say that more acid particles are present. And then in part 3, we're given the student repeating the experiment using a solution of NaOH which has twice the concentration. We need to draw the titration curve where we would expect the new points to lie. And well, what we can note here is that since the concentration will double, we will need half the volume added since our concentration is double. So per volume, you have twice as much. So everything will get shifted to half of its value. So if this was at 16, then our new value will be at 8. So the equivalence point will be at 8 milliliters, the half equivalence will be at 4 milliliters, but the starting part will simply be similar. So it's going to look like this. And of course, the final value will stay the same as the pH that we approach will be a little bit larger, but it will look like this.